Lesson 5. Present Perfect Tense. 1. The present perfect tense is used to describe actions that happened in the past but are connected to the present or have a result now. It is often used to give new information or explain a current situation. Example, we say, I've cut my finger. That means the action happened in the past and it is still a problem now. 2. To form the present perfect, we use have has plus past participle. I, we, you, they have finished. He, she, it has lost. To make negative sentences, we add not. I haven't finished. To form questions, we change the word order. Have you seen my keys? 3. We use the present perfect to show a link with the present. The action happened earlier, but the result is important now. For example, he has lost his key. That means he doesn't have it now. Remember, use the present perfect when a past action is connected to the present, not when it is only finished in the past. Please take the quiz below the video to support your knowledge, and don't forget to write in the comments how many answers you got right. Bye!